10 next-level tools on Amazon you need to see. There's something thrilling about discovering tools that simplify tasks, boost efficiency, and turn challenging projects into a breeze. Whether you're a professional craftsman, a DIY enthusiast, or someone who just loves gadgets that make life easier, the world of innovative tools never fails to amaze. On Amazon, you can find tools that solve everyday problems in ingenious ways, make precision work more accessible, and even revolutionize how you approach your projects. These next-level tools are packed with functionality, versatility, and creativity, proving there's always a smarter way to get things done. Little Giant Systems. When it comes to ladders, safety and versatility are everything, and the Little Giant Systems ladder takes both to new heights. This innovative ladder is designed to adapt to a variety of tasks, whether you're painting, cleaning gutters, or tackling construction projects. Its multifunctional design allows you to transform it into multiple configurations: step ladder, extension ladder, scaffold system, and more, making it a one-stop solution for countless jobs. What makes the Little Giant Systems truly impressive is its focus on safety and durability. Made from aerospace-grade aluminum, it's both lightweight and incredibly sturdy, with a high weight capacity to handle heavy-duty tasks. The built-in safety features, such as wide, slip-resistant rungs and stabilizing feet, ensure you can work confidently at any height. This ladder isn't just a tool. It's a reliable partner for all your projects, big or small. Lockjaw Ladder Grip. If you've ever worried about your ladder slipping or falling, the Lockjaw Ladder Grip is here to ease your mind. This ingenious device secures your ladder firmly to the surface, whether it's a roof gutter or another anchor point, ensuring maximum stability while you work. It's a game changer for anyone who values safety and efficiency when working at heights. The Lockjaw Ladder Grip is built with a durable, weather-resistant material that can withstand tough conditions. Its easy-to-use mechanism clamps onto your ladder securely in seconds, giving you peace of mind as you focus on your tasks. Whether you're cleaning windows, repairing a roof, or decorating your home, this tool provides the stability you need to work with confidence and precision. Plier Wrench. Combining the grip of pliers and the adjustability of a wrench, the plier wrench is a must-have for anyone who works with nuts, bolts, and pipes. This tool is engineered to provide a firm grip without damaging delicate surfaces, making it perfect for both heavy-duty and precision tasks. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, even during prolonged use. The plier wrench's versatility is what truly sets it apart. With a quick adjustment feature, it can tackle a wide range of sizes, eliminating the need for multiple tools in your kit. From plumbing and automotive repairs to crafting and DIY projects, this tool offers unparalleled convenience and efficiency. It's the perfect blend of strength, flexibility, and user-friendliness. Woodpecker's Tools. Woodworking is all about precision, and Woodpecker's tools are designed to help you achieve just that. Whether you're cutting, measuring, or aligning, these tools are crafted with meticulous attention to detail, ensuring your projects turn out flawlessly every time. They're a favorite among woodworkers for their accuracy and durability. What makes Woodpecker's tools so special is their high-quality construction. Made from solid, anodized aluminum, these tools are built to last and resist wear over time. Their laser-etched markings are easy to read and won't fade, making them a reliable companion for years to come. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting, these tools will help you achieve professional-level results with ease. Power Tube Bender. Bending metal tubes and pipes doesn't have to be a challenging task, thanks to the Power Tube Bender. This powerful tool allows you to create precise bends effortlessly, making it an essential addition to any workshop. It's ideal for automotive work, plumbing, and even custom metal fabrication projects. The Power Tube Bender is designed for maximum efficiency, with a sturdy frame and ergonomic handles that make bending smooth and easy. Its adjustable settings accommodate a variety of pipe sizes, giving you the flexibility to work on different materials and projects. Whether you're crafting custom parts or tackling repairs, this tool ensures accuracy and professional results every time. Dual Hand Vacuum. Keeping your workspace or car clean, has never been easier than with the DeWalt hand vacuum. This compact yet powerful tool is designed to tackle dust, debris, and even liquid spills with ease. Its cordless design and long-lasting battery make it perfect for on-the-go cleaning. The DeWalt hand vacuum features a high-performance motor that delivers strong suction, ensuring no mess is too tough to handle. Its washable filter and easy-to-empty dustbin make maintenance a breeze, while the lightweight design ensures comfortable handling. Whether you're cleaning up after a project or keeping your car spotless, this vacuum is a versatile and reliable solution. Blind Rivet Adapter. For anyone who works with metal or assembles structures, the Blind Rivet Adapter is a game changer. This tool transforms your power drill into a rivet gun, allowing you to install rivets quickly and efficiently. It's perfect for automotive repairs, metalwork, and DIY projects that require a strong, secure hold. The Blind Rivet Adapter is incredibly easy to use. Simply attach it to your drill, load a rivet, and let the tool do the work. Its compact design makes it ideal for tight spaces, while its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. With this adapter, you can save time and effort while achieving professional-grade results. Silicon. The Silicon is not your average caulking gun. This compact, innovative tool is designed to make sealing and caulking tasks easier and more precise than ever. Its unique design allows you to apply sealant in hard-to-reach areas with minimal mess and maximum control. What sets the Silicon apart is its ergonomic and lightweight design, which reduces hand fatigue during extended use. Its compatibility with standard cartridges makes it versatile for various applications, from home repairs to intricate projects. Whether you're sealing windows, filling gaps, or working on crafts, the Silicon offers a level of precision that's unmatched. Wolfcraft Drill Jig. Drilling perfect holes has never been simpler, thanks to the Wolfcraft Drill Jig. This tool is designed to guide your drill with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring straight and precise holes every time. It's a must-have for anyone who values precision in their projects. The Wolfcraft Drill Jig features adjustable settings that accommodate different drill sizes and angles, giving you the flexibility to tackle a wide range of tasks. Its sturdy construction ensures stability and durability, while its compact design makes it easy to transport and store. Whether you're building furniture, installing fixtures, or crafting detailed pieces, this tool is a reliable partner for flawless results. Miter Saw Stand. For anyone who uses a miter saw, the Miter Saw Stand is a game changer. This sturdy, portable stand provides a stable platform for your saw, making cutting tasks safer and more efficient. Its foldable design ensures easy storage and transport, making it a great addition to any workshop. The Miter Saw Stand is built with durability and convenience in mind. Its adjustable arms can accommodate a variety of saw sizes, while its quick-release mounting brackets make setup and take down a breeze. Whether you're cutting wood, metal, or other materials, this stand ensures precision and stability for every project. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.